Hello, welcome back to KG Simple Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Binicare portable water flosser. I feel like water flossers are a really important part of your oral hygiene, and I'm really excited to have a portable one. I feel like this is really going to come in handy. What I have come to realize is that most toothaches, red and swollen gums, bleeding gums, or just teeth or gums that are in general just in pain stem from not getting the food or debris out of those areas. And I feel like that can just cause so many problems, whether it's just something small like getting a popcorn kernel or part of a popcorn stuck in the side of your gums, which is causing like immediate pain, or if it's general buildup over time of plaque just calcifying and causing really big problems. Having a water flosser is really going to help. And I'm so excited that having a portable water flosser with all the different modes that this one has is just going to make it that much easier to do this no matter where I am or what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and open this up so I can show you all the different features. So a huge benefit to this particular water flosser is that this one has 5 different types of nozzles, which is going to really come in handy for your different needs for the water flosser. And it also has 4 different modes providing different water pressures, which is really going to come in handy. I'm interested to see how portable this is. Oh, nice. It actually comes with a case. I did not realize it comes with a case. Okay, that is so handy. So you can see this is actually like kind of a hard case, which is perfect so that if you can stow this in your suitcase or your travel bag, your weekend bag, this is not going to get squished. The things aren't going to get broken, which is so nice. And I love that it has a little loop here so you can carry it. So I'm going to go ahead and unzip this so we can see everything that this comes with. Okay, I am so excited. I love a good carrying case for any product, and I love that all the pieces can just fit so nicely in here. You don't have to worry about things getting misplaced or strewn about wherever you're going. So this is what it looks like. Okay, first I'm gonna take everything out so we can see everything that this comes with, and then we're going to assemble it and see how it works. So right here we have the user manual, we have the actual water flosser itself, we have all the different water flosser heads, we have a charge cable here, and we have a little carrying bag for, you can use it for whatever you'd like, but you can, I would assume you would put all of your different heads in it just to make sure they don't fall out or get dirty. Let me open up these different water flossing heads so I can kind of talk about what each one does. So this is what each of them look like, and I actually really like that they're clear just so you can tell if there's any buildup or residue stuck inside. You can just easily see them. Just to start out, we have our standard jet tips right here. There are 2 of them, which is nice because if you're sharing this with somebody and you each want your own tip, if you're traveling especially, and you and your spouse both want to use a water flosser, and obviously you don't want to pack 2, you can both use your separate ones, which is nice. The way that you're going to use these is you're just going to point them down on your gum line just to make sure that you get any debris out of your gums that you can. So you can see this is the periodontal tip. It kind of has a rubbery top. I don't know if you can see that. So what you're going to do with this is you're basically going to put this down between your tooth and your gums, and you can kind of get in those deep, hard to get places without damaging your gums because this is just a really bendy, rubbery tip. And this one right here is the orthodontic tip. It has all these like little bristles on the end. So this is gonna be perfect for something like braces, or if you have some kind of attached retainer or something like that, that's gonna really help get in between that. And this one right here is the tongue cleaner tip. So this is basically shaped like a spoon, and the water is gonna come out in the middle of the spoon. So you're just gonna take this and scrape it down against your tongue just like that, just to get all of the debris and bacteria from your tongue and wash it out with the water. And then this one right here is the nasal tip, which I've actually never seen this on a water flosser before, but I think it's kind of neat. So basically you're gonna put this in your nose and you're going to let the water rinse into one of your nasals and come out the other side. So for somebody that needs something like this for allergies or for whatever you need this for, that's kind of nice that that's in here, especially for when you're on vacation and you just need a little bit of relief from something like that. So now I'm going to assemble the actual water flosser itself. This is how it comes in its compact form. So I'm just gonna twist it off here. I'm gonna take off this little rubber bottom, and you can see right here is a retractable water tube. So I'm just gonna pull this out, and I'm gonna put it right on top of this water holder right here. And obviously you're gonna fill this up with water up to this max line right here. And then you're going to put whatever top you want on here, whatever water flossing head that you would like. If you're gonna use this standard jet tip, you're just gonna push it in right here until it clicks, so that is all the way in, and to remove it, you're gonna push this little white button. You're just gonna pull it out nice and easily. And then you can actually, this is a little tip storage. So even if you are taking this somewhere and you don't have room to take your whole case, you can just keep your tip in here, shut this, compact your water tube, put your little lid on right here. And as long as you have this all charged up, this is absolutely everything you need. Nothing is going to get bacteria on it. It's all sealed up and good to go. This is so convenient. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up and then test it out. So I'm gonna start by filling this up with water, now that this is all fully charged up. Okay, so I just have this filled up to the max line. I'm just gonna stick this in and twist it on. So first of all, I'm just gonna show you some of the different modes. I'm gonna point it down into the sink. So I'm gonna turn the power button on and go through some of the modes. So I'm just gonna turn it on. Basically, the way you're gonna use it, as I kind of said earlier, you're just gonna point it down at your gum line just to make sure that you're loosening up any debris or bacteria that's stuck in that area. Okay, nice. Okay, perfect. This does everything that I want it to do, and the fact that it's portable is just so awesome.